Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, December 18. Culture Minister Olivia Grange has unveiled plans to celebrate the exploits of Miss Jamaica Tony Ann Singh, the newly crowned Miss World. The weekend celebrations kick off Friday on Miss Singh's arrival with her father, Bradshaw, and members of the Miss World International Organization headed by Chairman Julia Morley.
Tony Ann has proven herself to be an exceptional ambassador for our country. She represented Jamaica so ably during the competition, and we all look forward to her journey as the new Miss World.
Minister Grange was addressing a post-cabinet press briefing this morning. On Saturday, Miss Singh will perform at a tribute concert at Emancipation Park and attend Unruly Fest in St. Thomas. On Sunday, there will be a tour of St. Thomas, the parish of Miss Singh's birth. Activities on the day will include a floral tribute at the graveside of her grandfather, Harold Singh, a visit to the Women's Center Foundation in Morant Bay, a reception hosted by the Mayor of Morant Bay, and a private reception at Jamaica House with Prime Minister Andrew Holness. And on Monday, Miss Singh will hold courtesy calls with the Governor General, Prime Minister, and a Leader of the Opposition. Before her departure, Miss Singh will tour the headquarters of the Women's Center Foundation in Kingston and have lunch with Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett. Still at the post-cabinet press briefing Wednesday, Minister with Oversight for Information Carl Samuda says Cabinet has approved the establishment of a Violence Prevention Commission. The brainchild of Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the commission will, among other things, carry out a comprehensive review of existing public and private violence prevention programs and studies. The commission will also examine government strategies dealing with violence.
It will seek to identify gaps in the prevention and intervention services that are provided, and to make recommendations with respect to violence prevention and intervention programs. And it will also create a 10-year action plan which will guide the operations and execution of this area of great concern nationally.
Persons applying for a public passenger vehicle PPV badge can now go through an online training program. This after the Transport Authority launched the PPP Driving App to help improve the proficiencies of the drivers. Minister of Transport Robert Montego says the app is now available on Android devices but will be available on iOS later this week.
It is being done in a game format, so you can't move to the next level until you have conquered one level. So you can't move from the road code part to the driving part until you have conquered the road code. So, and you do it at your own pace, in your own time, in your own privacy. So by that, we hope to increase the competency of the drivers who are already in the system and work with those who are coming.
Minister Montego was speaking at the Transport Authority's official launch of the Drive Safe application. The launch of the app follows the recent signing of a tripartite agreement with the Transport Authority, Edufocal Business Limited, and British Caribbean insurance company BCIC. Ground has been broken for a $4 million craft medicinal hemp farm at Long Pond Estate in Trelawney. 30 Jamaicans have been employed to the 650-acre property, which has been leased by Organic Growth Holdings Incorporated from the Sugar Company Holdings of Jamaica. It's expected that wellness products from the farm will be exported or sold in gift shops, spas, and pharmacies across the island by the second quarter of next year. At last Wednesday's groundbreaking, Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw said lands have been set aside for small farmers to access.
4,000 acres of land will be made available to our small farmers. So make sure you apply. Get your land. We're working with the Sugar Company Holdings of Jamaica. Those who want to, on their pieces of land to produce sugar cane, same way, we will help you reap it and help you to have it processed.
A new male ward being constructed at the St. James Infirmary will be completed next year. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie gave the assurance recently, saying the ward will cater to 45 residents and be outfitted with a nurse's station, restrooms, beds, and state-of-the-art equipment. A matron's quarters will also be constructed on the grounds of the infirmary to start in the new year.
I've given instructions a short while ago for the ministry's technical team to work with the technical team here at the St. James Municipal Corporation to prepare the necessary designs and estimate for the construction of the new matron quarters, which we are hoping once we get those situations out of the way, we can commence construction of the facility in the new financial year.
The ward is being constructed at a cost of more than $55 million and will complement the existing ward, which has been outgrown by the population of male residents at the institution. It's funded from a $220 million investment provided by the National Housing Trust to upgrade facilities and infrastructure at various infirmaries. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.